Previously on the Monster Rabbit YouTube channel.
This is the headliner. This is the material. This is the adhesive spray.
We managed to stick down half of the new material on the headliner before running out of the adhesive. In this video, we get some more adhesive and we're able to finish the job.
See over there?
Yeah.
There's the side bits, yeah? And you see the black rubber seal, I believe.
No, I don't see it.
Here, look. This thing. It's like, I believe it's supposed to fold inside that, and that sort of pinches it. And it's the same with the front here, that it can be folded into as well. It's just, if you look behind you at the back, there's the seal for the sliding doors, sliding window. Fold into the back of that, but if you look above the sliding window, there's like a beautiful mountain green that's original paint.
This bit, yeah.
I was like, if we can chop the back off, and see where your finger is now?
Yeah.
If we could like have it finished there, another day we can try and get it in there and fiddle about, but we'll have to glue the middle onto the where your head is now, because it won't stay up there. It will sag down if there's nothing being, you know, if it's not glued up. Take the keys out, push the button down and give it a, there we go. This material is so flimsy. It is so fragile. I've got to be really careful. I've got some special stuff to put on the inside to make the middle and, well, make the whole board stay up there, which is a top secret. And I'm going to have that stay up there so that it doesn't sag. Because when I got the truck before, I had to take the headliner out because the middle just sagged on your head like that. It looked like that, and every time you turn your head, it would just rub on your head. Initially, I didn't initially I didn't want to, you see that there behind me, I didn't want to cover up that mountain green panel there because it just looks nice, and that is the original mountain green there. But as you can see with this headliner, there's a flappy bit at the back that will just cover that right up, you see. And I'm not going to argue with it right now, I'm just going to put it up and take these door seals down. Now I just need to find something that's going to prop up the headliner and hold it up there overnight. This is my foam roller for my back. Let's see if this will work. Look at that. That kind of works. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this secret stuff to the headliner and then prop it up there and leave it for 24 hours to dry, basically. Also, whilst that is drying, I will try and sneak in some of these bits inside. As you can see, the material will go, I don't know if you can pick that up, but the material will go on the inside like that, and then the rubber seals will just go over the top, so it looks nice and flush, or nice and tucked. Now, like I said, before I do anything, I'm just going to trim this material here, because that is a little bit, we've left a little bit too much excess. Okay, so headliner is officially up and it's got adhesive underneath. It's being propped up by a foam roller. I've got stuff on my hand, and then I'm gonna try and find some other things to help prop it up, and then I'm gonna start to do the seals. We've got a Dyson Hoover. All right, hang on, let's see if this works. It does. I mean, okay, that'll do for now. This is so podge. Well, there you go guys, that was the installation of the headliner.
massive thank you to my girlfriend Chloe for helping me out. She's really good with arts and crafts and fabrics and stuff like that. Just finished packing for VW Action, which is tomorrow, and it's a whole weekend event at Santa Pod Raceway here in the UK. Gonna go and meet the guys, so the next couple of videos is basically going to be me reporting Santa Pod. I've got a ferry booking tomorrow for 6:30 AM, so we're going to get to Southampton for 7:30, drive up and meet the boys. It's going to be a great weekend. Anybody that's going to Santa Pod, come and say hi. I'm going to have a bunch of stickers in my pocket, so I'll be giving those out. Thanks again for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.